In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Intercom. Intercom is a customer messaging tool that helps you talk with people who visit your website or use your product. In this walkthrough, you will learn the core flow for replying to someone: opening the inbox, choosing the right conversation, writing your message, and sending it. This is the fastest way to handle support questions, follow up with leads, or respond to ongoing requests. Start by looking at the left side navigation in Intercom. Find and click Inbox. The inbox is where Intercom collects conversations in one place, so you can see who has reached out and what they said. Take a moment to scan the list of conversations. You may see different types of contacts, like users or leads, depending on how your workspace is set up. When you are working through messages, it helps to focus on one conversation at a time, so you do not mix up replies. Next, click the user or lead name in the list. This opens the conversation thread, where you can read the full message history. Before you reply, quickly review the most recent messages so you understand the context. This helps you respond accurately and avoids asking for information they already provided. If the conversation has multiple messages, scroll a little to see what has happened so far. Now move to the composer at the bottom of the conversation. This is the text box where you write your reply. Click into the composer and type your message. Keep it clear and specific, and reference details from the conversation so the person knows you understood their request. If you are giving instructions, write them in short sentences to make them easy to follow. Also, take a second to check your tone, since Intercom messages often feel more personal than email. When your message is ready, click Send. After you send, your reply appears in the thread, and the person will receive it based on your Intercom delivery settings. It is a good habit to reread what you sent in the conversation view to confirm it looks correct and complete. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.